guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Hourglass mascara. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. This is supposed to give you false lashes without the lashes. It's supposed to do everything you want a mascara to do. So I'm going to be reviewing that today. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. I'm very excited about this. This is going to be my first Hourglass mascara. I did try the Caution mascara, but it didn't really do anything for me, so I decided not to get it. But I'm very excited by this one. I've seen the before and after photos and it looks amazing. The Hourglass Unlocked Mascara is their Instant Extensions Mascara. It says 100% said it instantly lengthened lashes. 93% said it made eyes look more open. 93% said it was smudge proof all day. I think it's gonna be good. I hope it's gonna be good. It's £29 and 29 US dollars, so it's exactly the same price on the Hourglass website in the US and the UK, as they are a cruelty-free brand, and it says that 5% of profits from the Unlocked mascara are going to be donated to the Non-Human Rights Project, and they've got a picture of a really cute little bunny on here. As on their website it says, the look of lash extensions in an instant. This mascara is the ultimate formula for when more is more definition, more lift and more length, to transform lashes with impossibly real results. Using film forming technology, it coats each lash in lightweight fibers that lock in place for a high impact fanned out finish and smudge proof wear. So I'm very excited about this. I have very short curly lashes. I'm always looking for length, I'm always looking for volume, I'm always looking for impact. So I'm hoping that this is going to do the job. It says it is 0.35 fluid ounces and 10 grams. So the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, which is one of my favorite mascaras, it's a really good lengthening mascara and really good value for money. That one is £22.50 and 8.5 grams. The new Hourglass one is £29 and 10 grams. So it's quite large and it definitely is bigger than a lot of the other ones around. The Gucci one was 5.5 mils, 5.5 grams. That one was £30. I'll link down all of the recent mascara videos I did below. I recently reviewed the Marc Jacobs one, the Gucci one, and the Ilia Limitless Lash. So anyway, so this is the packaging here. This is the tube here. It's completely gold. On the front it has Hourglass in black, and then on the back it's got like an H with a little bunny on it, which is super cute. It's all smooth the entire way. It doesn't feel like it's going to get very fingerprinty either, which I do really like. On the bottom it just says ultra black, and I really like the wand. It's like completely conical. It's a really interesting wand. It's definitely got like the bristles are slightly shorter at the tip and then they get longer as you go up. It is like a synthetic wand, so I'll be interested to see how that feels. I have some other synthetic wands and they like can be quite rough with my lashes, so hopefully this one's a bit more gentle. But I really like the packaging. It's very luxurious, it's very simple and just looks very nice. I feel like this is just always going to look good. It's kind of like a classic. I do think that the Pat McGrath one is the new Pat McGrath one that's launching soon is also gold, so it's going to be interesting to see how they are different. This has a nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy. Reminds me a lot of the Marc Jacobs At Lashed one. The main difference obviously is that the Marc Jacobs one is black and gold and this is just gold. I'm just going to get into it because I don't want to waffle on for too long. That's just one coat of it on and you can instantly see the difference. I can actually like see my lashes. So that's really, really good. It definitely does have a scent to it. It's not too strong, but it's kind of, it does smell a bit chemically. It's not as overpowering as the Marc Jacobs one was, but you definitely do smell it. I find it really easy to use. It's quite, the wand's quite flexible and it's not too aggressive, it's not too fierce, even though it is a plastic wand, it's not too rough with my lashes, and it does seem to separate them without loading on too much product. So I'm going to put a bit more on, see what happens. So that is it with one coat on, well, 1.5 coats on. I couldn't really layer it up too much because I think I was talking too much and it dried a little bit, but I do think it's made a huge difference in terms of my eye. They look a lot more open, my lashes look a lot more lifted, and yeah, it just looks like really good. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick close up. I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. This has done a really good job of lengthening my lashes. They look so much more lifted. You do instantly see the difference, so I completely agree with them on that. So I'm gonna do the other side now, just so they look a bit more even. Pretty much it. I'm really happy with this mascara. I think it's done a really good job with my lashes. I wasn't expecting to like this. It's definitely given them length, it's definitely given them lift. I also feel like it's given them volume as well, and it was really easy to use. But I think it's probably the most comfortable synthetic brush mascara wand that I've ever used. Most of the ones I tend to like are really natural brushes, just because I find them a bit more gentle on my eyes, but I found this really nice. It kind of reminds me a bit of the Bad Girl Bang, which is also this shape as well. I didn't even trigger until I just was thinking about it. So I think that they're very similar. This is the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. The Hourglass one is slightly shorter and slightly more dense, like the bristles are slightly more dense than the Bad Girl Bang. So this is the Hourglass and that's the Bad Girl Bang, but they both have that kind of conical shape. The Hourglass ones are shorter and there are more of them, whereas the Benefit ones are slightly longer and also more spaced out as well. The Benefit one is also as flexible as the Hourglass one as well. They're very similar wands. So if you do like this Benefit Bad Girl Bang wand, you're probably gonna like the Hourglass mascara as well. It's a really nice mascara. It's done really good things for my lashes. My eyes look a lot more open and lifted and full and framed. And yeah, I'm really impressed with this. I definitely am going to be using this more. Of all of the launches that I've used, the new launches that have come out this year, I think this actually might be my favorite. Who knows whether it will be better than the new Pat McGrath one. The Pat McGrath original Fetish Eyes mascara is still my favorite mascara, but this is coming for the crown. I like this a lot. I really do feel like it lives up to the kind of before and after pictures as well. I feel like it lives up to the hype that they've created around it, and I think it's a really good product. I feel like you will see instant results. If you've got long lashes already, you're very lucky, and any mascara, most mascaras will pretty much look good on you. If you've got short lashes, I feel like this would look really good on you as well. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I would definitely recommend this product. I think I would give it like a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's that good, and this is like an instant love for me. I'm really happy I tried it. I'm really happy I bought it, and I hope you guys found this helpful. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.